Here's how to use Accelerator by Dr. Cooper Drain Field Cleaner tablets to keep your septic system and drain field clean. It's very easy. The first time you use it, put 2 tablets in the toilet, wait something like 40 or 45 seconds, and then flush. After that, put 1 tablet in every 2 weeks, wait 40 or 45 seconds for it to dissolve. It's going to fizz and bubble. That means it's working. That fizzing and bubbling is actually the activation process that creates the molecules that make those bacteria reproduce and thrive. All right, then flush. This system has been treated. Repeat every 2 weeks for stay clean maintenance.